Yan.
80 versus Mike Martin. Mike TV. Wala kayo? Charot. First ball, yes. Oh, that was way up to number 2. Number 17, for 2, wala, rebound number 77, passing number 51, wala, tama ka number 7.
Bam! 2 points. 2 points. 2-0 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 2, nalagpapasahan, and then si number 17, wala pa rin, rebound. Rebound number 8, continue ka number 77. 77-13, kapatid mo, wala na. Ayan, ayan. Tayo mag-iingat, may paparating na bagyo. Si Quiaco. Number 2. Pass number 17. Bumitaw ng 3. Wala. Dito number 77. 7-1. So, 1 lang dito.
2 points. 4-0 in favor of Mark My TV.
Pangalawa. Iyan, wag lang. Yan. Isa ba ang ating mic eh. Number 51. Kaso number 77. 77, lahat ka na saan? Ang number 82. 2 points.
2 points. 6-0 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 12. Wala. Kanina pa rin. Nakuha ka rin number 12. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 14. So number 77. Number 82. 51.
Bam! Baso. 8-0 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 10. Number 2. Number 2. Bigay na wala ang pera. 51 yung valuable kaso number 77. 77. And so, director number 7. 51. Ito number 12. Number 82.
Wow. 2 points. 10 and 0 in favor of Mark My TV.
Bigay ka number 2, number 2, number 5, number 5, 4 puntos, wala pa rin. Rebound number 14, bigay ka number 7, 4. Number 77, ayan ang sila pinasa number 82.
2 points, 12 and 0 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 2. So 2, wala pa rin. Rebound number 82, bigay ka number 14. Number 71, number 51.
Baso. 2 points, 14-0 in favor of Mark My TV. Iyan.
Number 2, simulit na bell. At ang naalala na lang sa babayat kay number 2 pa rin bigay ka number 2 points.
Lamang sila Mark My TV. Aldo.
Number 77. Boom.
Bang.
3 points.
3 points, 17 and 2 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 2. Pagkakalaan sila ng number 14. Number 71. Malakas pero may kita. Naguswerte na ball. Naguswerte na ball. Number 17 to make the Muppet 2 points. Number 7 na to, pero nawala number 17 ulit. Nakakuntik na. Ito number 7. Bitin. Kanya pa rin. Susugo. Wala pa rin. Nalagyan ng number 77. Number 82. Number 82. 2
points.
Second time.
19-4 in favor of Mark My TV.
Second time.
Mark. Ito, Toy. Bilang. Yeah, bro.
Number 2.
Yeah, dapat.
Ang dami ng bantay. Pero yung pinasulat ay nabutin wala. Nakuha ni number 82. Number 51.
2 points, 21 and 4 in favor of Mark My TV.
Okay, nice team na naman nila. Number 77. 77, wala. Nakuha ni number 82 down. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Nasa kanila pa rin. Number 77. Number 82. Wala. 50. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Ilan. Official score 21-12 favor Mark My TV. Mike, over to 7-12. And 17. Number 21. Ini tidak akan number 82.
2 points, 23 and 6 in favor of Mark My TV.
Mark My TV number.
Totoo, lamang.
Wala, pero may foul number 5. First personal foul number 5. First team foul. Wala.
Shoot mo yan, Padron.
Wala pa rin. Ikaw number 51. 91. Wala pa rin. Kasi pa rin ang wala ni number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Nakuha ni number 91. Oh! Nawala pa rin. Ito pa rin. 51 ng 51. 2
points, 25 and 6 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 12. Number 5. Arriba number 91. Stop to number 77. To number 82. Number 82. Number 82. Pinasara number 81. Wala pero may foul. Foul number 2. First personal foul number 2. Second team foul. Wala. Pumasok.
1 point, 26 and 6 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 17. Ang ganda na nakalagay ni number 2. Number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 77, wala. Rebound number 17. Kuya. Eighty-one to number 82. 82, Miguel Knight Number 2. Number 10. Number 10. Number 91. Number 5. Number 51. Number 51 and number 2 director to
2 points. 28 and 8 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 2, number 2. Ang dami ang pagkailangan sila ni number 82, number 82,
2 points. 30 and 8 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 2, bigyan number 2, and naman ang dami ang bantay, number 2. Single. Uy! Baile.
Bang bang. 2 points. 32 and 8 in favor of Mark My TV.
Number 12. Number 12. Wala. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Number 17. Good ball. Number 91. 37 to winning time. Number 51.
2 points. 34 and 10 in favor of Mark My TV.
83 seconds. Eighty-one, ball. Uy, nasakpan sa sayang. Number 51, number 91, 2 points. Easy.
2 points, 36 and 10 in favor of Mark My TV. Bang bang. 2 points, 38 and 10 in favor of Mark My TV.